Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a Cajun barbecue chicken wing fried in vegetable oil. So I hope you enjoy this, and it came out amazing. You want to make sure the oil is about like 325, and it says to cook it for almost 10 minutes. Mine took a little shorter of a time. I defrosted them quick. So you want the internal temperature of the chicken wing to be about 165. So you want to keep an eye on the crispiness of the chicken wing and keep checking it. this video is a little shorter, but it didn't take me long to make these chicken wings. They are so good. Well, to make them Cajun, I did put the Cajun seasoning in the flour. I don't know if you saw that, but that is what I did. It's very simple and easy to make. If you have any questions, please comment below. Comment any new dishes you'd like me to do. And please subscribe. See you on the next one.